हेलो ब्यूटीफुल पीपल। तो आज मैं आप सबके लिए लेकर आई हूँ नायका हॉल। मैंने रिसेंटली नायका से बहुत सी चीज़ें, बहुत से प्रोडक्ट्स जो हैं वो परचेज किए। मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियो में आपको पहले ही बताया था कि मैंने ब्यूटी, एल्फ कॉस्मेटिक्स एंड शुगर, स्विस ब्यूटी, इन सब के बहुत से प्रोडक्ट्स जो है वो परचेज किए थे। तो आई एम गोना शो इट आउट इन शुगर कॉस्मेटिक्स। आई परचेज शुगर कॉस्मेटिक्स ट्रांसलूसेंट पाउडर एज वेल एज द famous sugar cosmetic blush. I just want to give it a try, like whether this translucent powder is up to that hype that already being shared among all the social medias and all the influencers. So this is the product packaging, and it has very cute packaging. Like I can have this particular puff for this, and there is a mirror also. So I will try it soon for you. The next thing is the sugar cosmetic blush. I just want to give it a try, like whether it is up to that height. This is the packaging, and the blush is like this. It's like a deep red, not deep, but a good kind of. Next product is Sugar Cosmetics, this blue kajal, and its effect is like this. Okay, I'm gonna use it in my next makeup get ready. That's all about the Sugar Cosmetics Nykaa. Now the last and the most affordable brand, that is Swissbeauty. I purchased lots of things from Nykaa. I'm starting with this particular false lashes. I purchased it. This is a 3D dream lashes. I have 5 different pair of lashes according to their volume and their length. Swissbeauty eyebrow and gel liner, that is 2-in-1. It provides you 2-in-1 effect. The main thing is about this particular product is that its packaging, it looks so gorgeous and so royal. Like you can see it is so good. Like this is the packaging and this is the product along with the brush, and it claims that it has 24 hours stay, and this is the brush. You can, if you can see this, and I'm very excited to review it also. I will provide you all the links of the products that I purchased in the description box. And now the next product that I purchased is this Swissbeauty HD concealer pen. I already have this Swissbeauty liquid concealer, but I just want to give it a try for this HD concealer pen. And this particular concealer has a 01 natural shade, and its packaging looks like this. It looks just like it's a sling cool concealer pen, and this is what its opener, and you have to just rotate this particular applicator and the product will come out like this, and you have to just apply it. The main thing and main important thing is this particular product ki isko apply karne ke liye there is an applicator also, and you don't need any brush or as well as beauty blender to apply it all over your face wherever you need it. So it's just that 2-in-1 thing for me, because I don't have to extra use the brush as well as beauty blender. It's very good and packaging is wonderful. I just want to give it a try after this. Product is Swissbeauty lip glosses. It claims to be have lipstick gel. I have 3 beautiful lipstick gel, and it is color changing lipstick gel. I'm gonna show it for you. This is particular lipstick gel, and it has orange shade. It seems to be having orange shade, but it gives a pinkish kind of effect like this. So glossy and so creamy like this, and I guess it gives us shine, and it is a gel kind of structure. Next product is Swissbeauty palette, that is basic palette. I just want to give it a try for this particular Swissbeauty ultimate shadow palette. This is the palette looks like, and it is of shade 02. It has like 9 beautiful shades along with shimmer as well as matte. Product is Swissbeauty professional eyeshadow with golden shade. The shade is 02 shiny golden, and it has 3.5 gram of product. This is this color. It's very cute. Also I purchased this Swissbeauty HD matte lipstick of shade. This is just so gorgeous shade. It's a not brown but not coffee, but very cute shade. That's all about the Nykaa haul. Want to know more description as well as more detail about any product, and you can please ask me in the comment section. Also, I'm very excited to review it soon, and please get ready to start a makeup with me. And if you are new to this channel, then please visit my channel and watch my previous video. I make a lot of content, and also I will promise I will make a lot of content for you. And please share this video to your friends and family. Please support me, like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel, and please follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much.